In just 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. When you wake up, Now Brief gives you a rundown of your day, the weather, and here you can also see your energy score so you know exactly how much to push yourself at the gym. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor gives you the power to get the full potential out of Galaxy AI. Look at this, you can talk with Gemini about anything you see. Just share your camera or your screen, ask your questions, and this AI personal assistant can help you. My cat clawed my blanket. What can I do to fix this?
Here's a tutorial on how to do a duplicate stitch. It's a handy technique for fixing snags and runs in your knitting.
And thanks to AI optimizing how the phone runs, you get a longer battery life too. Plus, with Writing Assist, you can craft a perfectly worded email no matter the context. Galaxy AI lets you play with an advanced camera system with pro-grade tools such as Galaxy Audio Eraser, which removes background noise from your videos. With camera features like Object Aware detecting light and subjects, you'll be able to show off natural skin tones and textures for instant share-worthy pics. The Galaxy S25 Edge has an upgraded 200 megapixel main camera delivering the iconic Galaxy S camera experience.